Welcome to video number 2 in the sentiment analysis series using natural language processing. In the last video, we looked at importing the dataset and removing some unimportant things like punctuation marks, like stop words, and stemming all the words to their root form. And in this video, we are going to apply the bag of words model, which will convert our textual features, basically features which are in the form of text, convert them to an array, a vector of zeros, or basically a vector of the frequencies of the word as they appear in each review. Now, clicking on the applying bag of words model folder, I have prepared a Python Jupyter notebook where, continuing from the previous code, we are now importing a class called count vectorizer, which will take our corpus as an input and convert it to a vector. In this vector, we'll typically see zeros because how it works is this bag of words model, which is implemented using count vectorizer, it takes all the unique words that we have in our corpus and it treats every unique word as one column in the vector. So if there are 5,000 unique words in the corpus, including all the reviews, then every unique word becomes one column. And of course, every review will not contain all the unique words in the entire corpus. So a lot of zeros will be seen because those words are not present in that particular review. For words which are present in the review, we will see numbers like 1 or 2 or 3. If a word is present multiple times, then that particular value would be set accordingly. For example, here for the first review, we have 3 words: wow, love, and place. Now, if I run this section of count vectorizer, first of all, I'll have to run the entire notebook once. Okay, now there are so you can see that X contains my vector of the frequencies of the words. If I want to see the length of this vector, this will give me 1000 because there are 1000 reviews. And if I want to see the number of unique words, I will write length of this. So there are 1566 unique words, and I can even set a limit to this, so I can write max features over here and say that I only want 1200 unique words to be considered. In that case, this would give me 1200, but right now we won't use that parameter of max features, so we'll proceed with 1566 unique words. And now for the first review, you can see that this gives me an array like this. It is not showing me all the numbers in between. To In order to see that, I think we'll have to use the print statement. No. Okay. How to print a vector row without without skipping any number in between. Stack Overflow, very helpful. So the way to do this is we can actually set this thing here with NumPy, where we can set that I want to see the whole array. Now we haven't imported NumPy. I think it's in the form of NP. We'll have to import sys. So we can see the entire vector now, and now our review has 3 words: wow, love, and place. So we should see 3 ones over here. Uh, let's spot those ones. The first one is over here. The second one is over here. And the third one is over here. Now this particular review has 1,566 uh, features. So this length is going to be 1566. That's what bag of words does. For every review, it puts the frequencies in the vector. Now this model is not the perfect model to use for sentiment analysis purpose, because every word is given the same importance irrespective of the kind of value that that word contributes, because in sentiment a few words actually give us the true sense of what the review is it negative or positive. So in this case, bag of words doesn't take that into picture. It just gives frequencies for every single word. And now in the next video we'll be putting this model, and we'll be putting it into some classification algorithms so that we can see what kind of accuracy can we get in classifying this review as a positive or negative. And then we look at some more models like bag of words model, which are better to use for sentiment analysis. So that's it for this video, and video number 3, stay tuned for video number 3. Thank you.